ਸਾਲ ਦੇ she's going to sing a shabad for us that she's prepared. ਤੇ ਗੁਨੀਤ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਗਾ ਕੇ ਸੁਣਾਓ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਏਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਏਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਏਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰੋਵੇ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਰਜੂਨੀ ਸਭਨ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਰਜੂਨੀ ਸਭਨ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਬ ਆਦ ਸੱਚ ਜਗਾਦ ਸੱਚ ਹੈਪੀ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ।
Thank you so much, Guneet. Guys, give her a round of applause. That was very, very sweet. I'll get that for you. ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ?
ਨਹੀਂ
ਨਹੀਂ? But you did it beautifully. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਹੈਗੀ. So thank you so much for making this special for us. Okay? Now I want to of course let all of our guests know that we want to thank them ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ of course ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ day off ਲਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, which is already a treat for you. I see Mantej smiling over there that he's off today. And of course ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ we have a company and our friends of course from Turban Ink. I'm sure you all know about Turban Ink. They make the most wonderful Punjabi shirts. They've given us gifts for all of you and they have shirts for all of you in different Punjabi logos. So how is that? How do you guys like that? So before you all leave, we're going to have these gifts for you and we're going to give each one of you these shirts from Turban Ink, okay? All right. Now, I know we have some calls coming in, but मैं तानु कुछ और questions पूछना चाहूँगी. साढ़े को थोड़ा जाई time रह गया. Now, I want to ask this for each one of you. And सरगुन मैं ताड़े को ले शुरू करांगी. जे तानु विसाखी introduce करनी पे अपने friends नो, American friends नो, would you introduce it to them? And if yes, तुसी किस तरह introduce करोगे? And if no, क्यों नहीं introduce करोगे?
I would actually introduce it to them because it's like the 6th, like every cause's birthday, and I would like tell them that it's like basically everyone from my religion's birthday today.
Okay.
And I would tell them the story of Guru Gobind Singh Ji.
Okay.
And I'll tell them it's basically like how Christmas is for them.
Okay.
Vaisakhi is for us.
Okay. So you would introduce this to them.
Yes.
Okay. Satleen, मैं तानु पूछना चाहूँगी, जे तानु कोई chance मिले introduce करन वास्ते, how would you introduce it? And if you would introduce it, थोड़ा ऊँचा करो मैं.
I would introduce it. I would introduce it like Simran auntie said on the phone. I would write like a speech and tell all my friends about it and how we celebrate it, what happens in India and over here, and the story and the history.
You would introduce it then. Okay, thank you for that. And Mehtab, je tusi introduce karoge, how would you introduce it? And if not, why wouldn't you?
I would, but I would first teach them the basics because if you don't understand it, then why celebrate it?
Very nice. That's a very good answer. Thank you. Go ahead, Tejan.
I would tell them about it because it's important. It's important to me, and I would tell them about it, our history.
You would. Thank you. Prabgun, tusi dasso sanu ji tusi apne gore friends nu, American friends nu Vaisakhi introduce karoge ya nahi?
I would introduce them to them, so like if I tell them, they're going to tell their parents going to tell their friends, everyone's going to know, so even the school's going to know, so extra day of school off.
Oh, so you've got a meaning, there's a reasoning behind this one. I like that. Okay, we're all thinking a step ahead of time. Okay, so you would do it so you can get a day off. Okay, good. As long as you have a reason behind it. Wait till I talk to your dad outside now. Amitoj, go ahead. Would you introduce Vaisakhi? Tusi apne friends nu introduce karoge? Jay, yes?
Yes, I would.
Okay.
And
how would you? Tusi kis tarah introduce karoge Vaisakhi apne American friends?
Well, I introduced Sikhism one time because when my mom took my patka off and everything, and she showed my hair to everybody.
Okay.
But like, I would probably just tell everybody that we have a holiday in Vaisakhi and it's equal to their Christmas. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And Mantej?
I would introduce like to my friends so
Okay.
they could like so our religion could expand because they introduce about their religious holidays. Why can't I do it about mine
Absolutely.
if it's equal to theirs?
Absolutely. And I do appreciate your thoughts. Guneet, मैं तानु एक question पूछा?
Yes.
अगर तानु, you go to school, what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
You're in kindergarten. So if you have friends in school?
Yes.
Tell me names of two of your friends.
Ashley P and Ashley A.
Ashley, oh, so you have two Ashley friends. Okay, so if I told you that, Guneet, how about if we bring them over and we tell them what Vaisakhi is? Would you tell them what Vaisakhi is?
Yes.
You would? How would you tell them what Vaisakhi is?
I'll call them at my house and I will tell them.
You would? Would you give them little gifts also, like they would give you on Christmas, so they know there's a reason we're celebrating this?
Yes.
You would? Look at that. I'm so proud of you, Guneet. You're doing really good. You know, I want to, मैं अपने viewers को सारे नु कहना चाहूँगी कि I'm really glad, of course, Just Punjabi team and all of us here at GS with GS, कि असी बच्चों नु आज लेके आया, इना दे through hopefully आप दे बच्चों नु भी हौसला मिले, and here's a way for them, maybe उन्होंने सोचा या नहीं सोचा इस दे बारे च, but there's a good way कि असी भी अपना culture, अपने holidays, बाकी cultures नु भी introduce करिए, be it through children, be it through small gestures जिस तरह सिमरत ने क्या सीखा और सतलीन ने क्या सीखा, by just donuts in class, but at least उन्होंने पता होए कि साड़ी भी कोई holiday है and there's something that we're doing. So I hope, you know what, here's our future for us, for our Panth of course, and I'm really proud of all of you guys for your thoughts and everything that you're sharing with us. So I want to thank you all for